Light My Space specializes in designing and installing lighting that is both functional and beautiful. Lighting shapes and defines the spaces we live and work in. It influences our ability to do things, our ability to relax, and our sense of well-being. The right lighting in the right space can transform your surroundings and optimize the use of the space you have. I'd like to share an example with you to help explain what this looks and feels like. The owner of this bathroom had travelled extensively in Scandinavia and loved the clean lines, contrasting textures and cool colour palette. Our design incorporated this style and introduced lighting elements that allowed the client to make choices depending on how they used the space. We used a touch-sensitive panel set behind the tiles that controls the lighting circuits. This has programmable presets for light levels, direction and fan. For a softer ambient light, one of the presets controls light in the adjoining washroom. The colour-changing taps are water-powered and react to the temperature of the flowing water. A fun touch, but with a built-in safety benefit that warns of extremes of hot or cold. The mirrors are activated by proximity, so you can control them without constant touching or leaving marks. These operate independently of the overhead lights, so you can control the level and direction of the light you want. A third independent circuit controls the fibre optics around the bath, producing a low-level wash of light at floor level. Embedded in the grout and flush with the tiles, the surface is smooth and the client is safe in the knowledge there is no electricity anywhere near the water. The automated bath control has custom settings and a remote, allowing you to fill the bath to the desired depth and temperature before turning itself off. You'll never have to watch a bath fill or worry about overflowing water again. The glass tower complements the cityscape in the photo on the blind and diffuses the fibre optic light so that it sparkles like light on water. It also hides an unsightly plastic soil stack which couldn't easily be moved. By planning your lighting and choosing your lights carefully, you can transform a functional space into an inspirational retreat. Any room or workspace can be improved with good lighting and costs less than remodeling or renovation. From a wow custom feature to smart lighting for a multifunctional space, talk to us at Light My Space and discover the joy of great and beautiful lighting.